Hello everyone and welcome back to digital marketing video series, and in today's video we'll be learning everything about AdSense. So before I proceed about the AdSense practical part, I'm pretty sure you are clear with the theoretical part of the AdSense, that what AdSense is and how we can earn from the AdSense. Now in this video I'll be telling you all practically how to create an account in AdSense and how to put the ads on your website from where you can start monetizing. In order to log into AdSense, you just need to go to Google and type AdSense and post this. You might be seeing out here as AdSense. When you're coming up for the first time, you need to sign up. So we will be creating an account. So it is asking us the website's URL. It is always suggested to paste the URL by opening the website in new tab, because sometimes we forget to write HTTP or HTTPS or with W and without www. So that may create an issue while making an account in AdSense. So let's open the website in new tab so that we can copy the exact URL what we want to use. So one of my websites name is, it's a small community group that I've created. So I want to activate the AdSense for this website of mine. So I will just copy the URL of the website and I'll come back to my AdSense account and I'll paste the URL of the website here. And I need to paste my email ID. So I'll say that's my email ID. Now I don't want any customization email, and save and continue. Once I have clicked on save and continue, it would be giving me an option to put down the code in the website. Okay, so it is having an issue with me. So it was something that I have previously tried to create an account from this email ID. So it is just asking me whether I have deleted that account or not. So I've confirmed yes, I have removed that website. I'm no longer holding that website. Now when you'd be coming, you'd be probably seeing this screen. So out here it is clearly mentioned that I need to paste this link in the website of mine, that is between the closing head tag and the opening and closing head tag. So I'll just copy this URL, and after this I need to go back to the admin dashboard of the website. So let me just log into the admin dashboard of my WordPress website. In order to do that, I need to write the domain name /wp-admin. Once I've done that, I would be straight away landing to the admin access or admin area of the WordPress website. Perfect. So here we are here in the admin section of the WordPress website. So out here what we need to do is we need to install a new plugin named as header and footer. So for that we need to go to the plugin sections, add new, and out here I'll write header and footer. So automatically the plugins will be coming. Insert header and footer. This is the plugin that we need to install. We'll just install it. This plugin is generally used to paste the code on our website. If we are not having the coding knowledge, that is where the header and the footer section is within the coding, so this plugin helps us a lot in putting the contents in the right place. So once I have activated the header and footer, you will be able to see under the setting tab there is an option of insert header and footer. So we'll be going here and as you can see, it is the head section which is clearly written. Script will be in the head section, so we need to paste the code here. So as I pasted the code here, so save it. So once I've saved this code out here, we need to go back to the AdSense account and I need to confirm yes, I have pasted the code and done. Now the Google would be checking whether the code is found on the website or not. It is saying the code is missing or incomplete. Okay, I'll again say continue with the checking. So for confirming, we'll just paste the code here as well. Oh, I forgot to save it probably. So let's come back here and say yes, continue. Right. So it's saying activating your account. So it generally takes few days to get the AdSense account approval done. So once this is being approved, all these tabs which are right now not active in front of me, these all tabs will get activated and I will be able to use it. Now let me log into one of my another AdSense account where all these tabs are active, so that you can see and understand how practically we can place the code. So for that I need to just change the login. Right, so this is my another account from where these all stuffs are active. Now once your AdSense account is approved and you are already having this kind of interface coming, then you need to go to the section called as ads, and as a new feature which has came in Google AdSense is an automatic ad. So what you need to do is you need to simply copy and paste the code in your AdSense account, and once the code is pasted, it will automatically place the ads wherever it is necessary. In case you want to manually create the ads, so you can come and create the ads from the ad unit part. In the ad unit part, you can see there are generally 4 kinds of advertisements, and whatever ads you have already created, it would be coming in front of you something like this. Suppose I need to create a new ad, so I can create the ads by selecting any of the options from here. Suppose I want to create a display ad, so I'll click on a display ad, and the first thing that I need to do is I need to give the name to my display ad which is coming on the top. So I'll give the name as display ads sample. Once it is done, if you want to change the layout, so right now it is selected as square. If you want to have a horizontal, you can select like this, or if you want to make it a vertical, you can have something like this. Right now the ad size which is selected is responsive. If you want to make it fixed, you can make it fixed, and suppose I want ads to be something like square, and I'll make it fixed. So now what will happen, the ads which would be coming, it would be only looking like a square. And if you want to change the width, you can change the width from here. Suppose it is 728 right now, I want something like 300 by 150. It would be appearing something like this, or I can make it 300 by 300, perfect square. I want to make the ads come something like this, 300 by 300 matrix. I want to make it appear. So once this is done, I can simply click on create. Now once I've clicked on the create, so I'm having a script which is coming in front of me. Now this script is to be pasted in the body section of the website. So I'll be just copying this code, and once I've copied, I'll click on done. Now what I need to do now is I need to log into the website with which it is linked. So I will log into my website. So this is my website, Digital Guru. Now out here I'll write /wp-admin. So once I've logged in, so let's take an example that I want to make my ads appear in one of the posts. So I'll go to all posts. I'll select the post where I want to make it appear. Or better than that, I can do one more thing. I can make it appear in my widgets as well. So I'll be showing both the things, how to make it appear in the posts or any pages or in the widget section. So if you want to make your ads appear in your post, so you first need to edit that post. So we'll just edit this post. So let the post just get loaded so that we can paste the code. So now whenever we need to paste the code, make sure the code that you are pasting it is always in the text column of the editor, not in the visual section, because the texts are being read by the text column only. Suppose I want the advertisements to appear just below why CLS happens, right, just below this. So I'll click on this test and I'm to search where that word was written, why CLS happens. As I can see here, it is written this line, why CLS happens, as you can see. So I want the code to appear just above this. So I'll create a line, I'll create a gap and I'll paste the code here. Right. So this is the line why CLS happens and this is the Google script that I pasted. I'll go back to the visual section. Now see, now there is a small gap which is coming. So this gap is basically the advertisement which is going to come in this place. Now let's see the preview of this page of mine. Now this was the page. Let's slide down. Why CLS happens. So ideally the ad should come here. Now because the page is not published, so probably the ad is not coming here. So let's publish this post and check it once again. So I'll make it updated. Once the post is updated, let us just open this post in new tab once again and check whether the advertisements are appearing or not. So as of now, as I can see, the ads are not appearing in front of us. Sometimes it may happen the ads may not appear because of many reasons. So in order to check, what you can do is you can just simply change the browser from where you are not logged in. So let me just log into another browser and check this specific URL from there, whether the advertisements are coming or not. See, the coming of advertisement is based on a lot of factors. This you can very easily understand if you're having a knowledge of Google AdWords. In Google AdWords, we generally learn how to make a display ad. So the advertisements which are coming in Adsense are nothing than the display ads only. So there may be factors like whether the ad is being targeted to me or not, whether the ads right now is running live or not, and many other factors. So considering all the factors into account, there may be a chances that even if the code is not present on your, even if the code is present on your website, the ads may not appear. So we are just trying to validate it by opening the same URL in new tab or a new browser. So probably that might give us a better understanding. So this is a new browser. So I'll just paste the URL of my blog and we'll try to have it here. We'll see whether the advertisement is appearing here or not. Sometimes even browsers do matter, whether the cookies are present on those browsers or not, whether any kind of remarketing ads are running in that browser or not. So there might be a chance that if an ad is not coming in one browser of your laptop but on other browser, you may see an advertisement appearing on your websites. So we are just trying to validate it. As you can see, the ads are coming now, and I'm expecting the ads to come here. Right. So now we can see the ads coming just above why CLS happens, and it is of the exact shape that we have asked for. So we have given a shape of 300 by 300. So the ad of 300 by 300 is coming in front of me. So let's refresh and check whether again the ads are coming and the same ad is coming or not. Many times the advertisement changes, but for us, so the ad is appearing same. So this is how we make the ads appear on our website. So we just need to simply paste the code out on the pages and post wherever we want the ads to appear. Now similar thing is being also practiced in the sidebar. So let me just go back to the previous browser so that I can show you how to put the ads in the sidebar. So in order to put the ads in the sidebar, we need to go to the widget section of our website. So the widget comes under the appearance. Under appearance, as you can see, there is a widget. So we just simply need to click on this widget. Then in widget section, we will be selecting the location where we want the ads to appear. Now you can see there are so many options which is coming. Either you can install a plugin, extension of plugin, that is of Adsense plugin on your website that can give you a facility of pasting the code. In case you're not having this plugin, even you can opt for the text module. So in order to use this in the sidebar, I'll just simply drag it and I'll put it in the sidebar. I'll put it here. Once I've pasted the text section here, I need to again go to the text section. As I've said earlier, the code has always to be pasted in the text column. So out here again I'll paste the code. Okay, so this is the wrong code. So in order to get the code, I need to go back to the Adsense account again. So this was the ad that we have created, and in order to get the code, I can see out here it's written get code. So we'll just simply click on this icon and the code will be again coming in front of me. I need to just copy this code. I'll be going back to my website's widget section and pasting the code here. Once I pasted the code here, let's go to the visual section and we'll see a small icon appearing. Let's just save it and done. Now let's check whether the ads are appearing or not. Let's go to another browser. So out here on my sidebar, as I can see, there is 2 advertisements coming in front of me. Now let us just refresh it and check whether a square 300 by 300 matrix, something like this ad is appearing on my sidebar or not, because the code which I pasted here is also present here. And yes, and see, the last time the Byju's ad was coming and this time the ad have changed. So you can see the ad of square is appearing in front of us irrespective of the earlier longer ads which was coming. So this is the complete understanding of the Adsense, how you can paste the codes and how you can generate the codes and look into the Adsense account. So I'm pretty sure you must be clear with the Adsense understanding, how to create an account and how to paste the code on our website. Apart from this, there are a few more options that we have a control over the Adsense. There is an option of blocking. Blocking allows us to stop certain kind or categories of advertisements to appear on our website. If suppose we feel that we don't want certain kinds of ads or certain categories of ads to appear, then we can block it. In order to block, you just need to select which kind of advertisement you want to block. Suppose I want to block for one of my website, Digital Guru, so I need to select my domain name from the left. Once I've selected the domain name from my left, I am having three options in front of me, as you can see. Either I can block an ad by providing the specific URL. Like suppose I don't want Amazon's ad to appear on my website. I can simply give the URL of Amazon out here, that I don't want to have any kind of advertisement from Amazon. Or suppose if I want to make a filter based on some categories of advertisement, you can see out here it's written sensitive categories. So I can simply click here and I can choose those categories of advertisement from where I don't want. Like I don't want any kind of astrology or some kind of cosmetics product or dating or any kind of stuff which are being listed out here that I don't want to make it appear. So I just need to click it on. I just need to activate it. Once this is being activated, the ads from that specific category won't be coming on my website. Suppose I'm not pretty sure like what kind of ad should I make it appear, and these are not the categories. I need some generic categories of advertisements. So can go back and select general categories from here. In general categories, almost all the categories of advertisements are being covered out here. As you can see, apparels, arts, automotives, and vehicles, beauty and personal care, and almost every sector of advertisement is listed out here. And suppose in apparels you don't want to block the complete apparel sector but a specific, so we can simply click on this apparel and you can again select which kind of things you don't want. So by selecting this, you are putting a check or a filter on the kind of advertisement that would be appearing on your website. So this was the AdSense complete understanding how to make it and how things should be done. I hope you are clear with this entire strategy and work, and you'll be able to very effectively use this knowledge. Thank you for joining the class and have a great day ahead.